Want to see how much you could save with our Comfort Club? Let's walk through a real-world example using what most homes already have. Most homes include a furnace, a central air conditioner, a humidifier, and a water heater. So that's a setup I'm selecting here. As I choose each system, you'll see the estimated savings update on the right side of the screen. Once you reach 3 or more systems, the calculator automatically applies our Tier 3 Comfort Club plan. That plan covers 3 or more systems for just $29.97 a month, and the price stays the same whether you have 3 or 6 items. In this example, the estimated annual savings from maintenance and repairs amount to $669.32. That's on top of the monthly investment of $29.97, and the value goes beyond the calculator. Comfort Club members can save up to 20% on services and repairs, receive priority scheduling, and get automatic reminders so nothing is missed. Members also receive up to $500 off a new piece of equipment when it's time for replacement, helping reduce the cost of major upgrades when they matter most. It's a simple way to save money, avoid surprises, and keep your home comfortable year-round with affordable comfort. Home comfort made easy.